Hey guys, it's me Kayleen back with another video. For today's video is going to be a video that is going to be interesting. So, before we begin into this video, if you haven't already, click that red subscribe button down below to become a part of this YouTube family. I would love to have you. And if you want to follow me on all of my social media, they will be in the description box below. So, before I start talking, don't mind my hair, guys. It's kind of crazy, but anyways. So today's video is going to be about my kitten I'm going to be getting. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am. There's gonna be a new member of my family, and yeah, so hopefully in a couple of videos, if I did more videos after this, but if not, if I don't do videos after this, in the next video will be me showing you guys the kitten and how I'm going to be setting up his space. To be honest, guys, I feel like I should just rearrange my room like now or before the kitten gets here, because my room isn't gonna be like completely done, like the walls getting painted and all that. So that's not even gonna happen for who knows how long, and I might as well just rearrange it to the way that I am picturing it, and then after a while, I'll just move the furniture and start painting and putting everything back to the way it was of me rearranging it, you know? Hopefully that made sense. So, for the time being, I am going to, I literally started working on my room. Like, my floor is completely clean. Completely clean. The majority, not the majority. It's like literally 100% clean, but I just had to vacuum it. That's all I have to do. And, yeah, so anyways, on with the cat. The reason why I'm making this video today is because I want to give you guys information about the kitten, and I'm gonna be showing you pictures of what I'm getting for the cat. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so the cat that I'm getting is a Siamese. I don't know if it's mixed with anything, but if not, it's a regular Siamese cat. Everyone knows Siamese cats been literally been in the world in Rome's times, I think. I don't know. I'm not really for sure. I don't really know for sure, but I know they've been born way before any other cat has been born, or the breed of cats. So the kitten I'm getting, the cat was born. I know I'm gonna get this. It's either June 24th or the 27th. One of those 2 days. And so yeah, he's been born on that day, at one of those 2 days, and yeah. So I feel like I've told you guys how it all started. If I didn't, here it is, and here it is. Sorry, but it's in my room. So I feel like I've said this before, but if I didn't, I'm gonna say it again. One of my coworkers at work, she had a cat that had kittens, and she wanted to get rid of them. So she asked me if that would be okay if I get one. of them, and I asked my dad, and he said yeah. So I told her that he said he's okay with it. So then she told me I had to wait until 6 to 8 months because they just came out and they had to be with their mom for that period of time. So as time passed, to now, basically, I have, yeah, hold on guys, let me let Bill out of my room because I think he wants out of my room. Okay, I'm back guys. Okay, so yeah, we're here now. Bill. Anyways, so here we are now. And she said she'll give me the cat for free, but so that's nice because yeah, it was nice of her. So yeah, so we're getting a Siamese cat, or I'm gonna be taking care of it. So yeah. So so the day of when I get the cat, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is going to SPCA, getting its shots, and then I'm gonna be getting it a collar. So that'd be exciting. I don't want to get the tags yet because we don't know what to name the cat. I was thinking of naming it Toby, but my aunt suggested I should wait until I get to know the cat and its personality and then I can name it. Cause you want a name that goes with the cat's personality. So yeah. So yeah. So I kind of know the exact date, but I don't know the exact date. I don't know if that made sense or not, but yep, you get up here. Come here. Yep, Bear's on the bed. Bear's in the bed. Okay, so we are going to be getting the kitten in August. We are getting it the week of the 24th, so that's in 4 weeks. In 4 weeks, basically. So I got the basic stuff for the cat, and then my dad paid for the litter box. It's like it's like an electric one. Well, I don't think it's an electric one, but like I don't know. I'll show you guys once it comes in. But yeah, we're basically getting the basic stuff off of Amazon. So basically, me and my dad just purchased the stuff today, so it'll be here by the 8th, which will mean in 3 weeks we'll get the cat. Maybe a little bit longer because my coworker, the person that's my coworker said that it might be a little bit longer because there's something wrong with the cat's eyes. My aunt is probably thinking it's like a cold in their eyes, so she has to go to the vet and to get eye drops and stuff. So I might be a little bit longer, which is fine. Because you want a healthy cat, you know. So yeah, the week of the 24th we'll be getting the cat. So yeah. So now I am going to be showing you guys the items that I've purchased and getting the cat. One of the items is for both Boo and the kitten. So yeah. I already got 2 things for the cat right now. I got a scratch post, and then I got a cat thing for the cat. It has a hole in it the cat can go into. I'll show you guys. I'll do a kitten supply haul. But yeah. What am I doing? Oh, okay. I was getting lost here. Okay, so basically Amazon saying it will arrive on August 8th. Okay, so the first thing I got was a Kitty City raised cat food bowl collection, stress-free pet feeder and water. So it's a white and gray bowl right here. It's I got it for $8, which is not really that bad. And then the second thing I have is a cat flea collar. Because you don't want them to have fleas. So so it's an 8-month protection. Yeah, it's the color white, basically. And I got it for $17. Okay, and then the next thing, guys, this is the best deal ever. So I'm glad I'm getting this. So this is a tunnel. There's 2 tunnels that come in it, and then there's a lot of cat toys, and it's all together. It's basically, yeah. So there's the 2 tunnels, and all those toys that you guys saw are in one. And it's just $12.50, and that is a really good deal because I'm pretty sure that you'll probably spend more, like separate. I guess I hope that made sense. Or it could be the same, but I don't know. Sorry for that noise. It's the washing machine or dryer, one of those two. That's why I wanted the door shut, but Bill had to open it. So yeah. Okay. What the heck? Hold on, guys. I gotta find it regularly because I can't find it on this stuff. Really. Oh, here. Okay, and then for grooming, I got this blue grooming brush. And this was only for $9 or $10. And then I got a blanket that's for Bill and the cat. It's for both of them. I gotta figure out where I got it. Oh, I got it from here, I think. If not, it's probably somewhere else. I don't know. I guess I'll show you guys. It's the Mighty Monkey one in the middle, the blanket. I forgot how much I got it. I don't know how much it cost, but I think it was like, I don't know. It's probably in the 10, 20s area, like in between there, but I got a blanket that's for Boo and the kitten so they can share it. So that's the things that I got, which are the kind of basic things. And then my dad got the litter box. So basically the only things that we like need is the cat food, which my coworker's gonna give me a bag for free to start out with, and then the rest I can just buy on my own. So we need that, and then the litter. So I think the machine comes with the litter box comes with the litter, so I don't know. I gotta figure that out, which is probably is. But so basically, the only thing I need is I just need to get the shots in the collar, and then gotta figure out a name. Hopefully, we can figure out its name. Maybe it might take a while, but yeah, I got it. Sorry, guys, I had to turn my fan off, so it was kind of getting cold. But, yeah, so that was the items that I basically got for the kitten. And, yeah. So, I forgot, I made a schedule. Okay, so I kind of looked up on the internet, like, schedules for kittens. Because I feel like I want to get the kitten on the schedule, because I don't want it to like just do whatever it wants, and it will help me out as well, to pay attention to the kitten and make sure it's not getting into anything it's not supposed to, and all that. So yeah. So I kind of made a schedule, I made a schedule. I'll go get it for you guys, so I can tell you guys the schedule. Okay. Okay, so I got it right here. I wrote it. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, guys. So I'm put it in a notebook. So yeah. Okay, I put the title as Cats. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. That's so embarrassing. Okay, so I named it Cat Schedule. So this is gonna be for me in the beginning. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my god, that is like literally embarrassing for me. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I got the hiccups. I don't. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. So as I was saying, I named it the cat schedule, and oh, Boo's looking at me. Hi, baby. Hi. Hey, baby. Okay. So I named the cat schedule. So for me, it is going to be difficult in the morning because the schedule starts out in the morning. So basically, it depends on what time I go to bed. But sometimes I stay up until like 1, which I did, I think, last night. And I didn't get up until like, I think 9, and this morning. And I think my hiccups are gone, thank God. And I probably jinxed it. So, yeah, like I said, it's going to be hard for me in the morning because this schedule starts at 7 a.m., 7 o'clock in the morning. And I feel like it should be used to me because during the weekends I usually get up like literally at 6:30 and stuff. So I mean, the weekdays I guess the weekdays I have to like start getting up in the morning anyway because of school. So the thing that I'm going to be doing I'm just going to do this real quick and then explain what I was going to say. So, from 7 a.m. to 8, me and the cat's going to wake up. And then I'm going to give the cat a snack, or food. And then, I might take it, after that, I might take it on a walk real quick. So I can have some fresh air and hear different sounds. Because it says, I got this from the internet, guys. Because it says, open windows to allow outdoor sounds to stimulate cat. So we can't open any windows because the AC is on. So I might have to take it on a walk. No, baby, we're not going to walk. We already did that today. So I might have to take the cat on a walk, maybe with Boo. I would have to say walk. Boo looks at me because he likes to go outside and walk around. Anyways, so I might have to do that. Then with the food I have to give it water, fresh water, because the cat doesn't want old water. So, and then I am going to be spending 10 minutes of spending time with him, or until 9 a.m. to spend quality time with the cat, and then at 9 I'll take it to the bathroom and clean out its stuff. And then from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., which is noon, the cat will be taking a nap because it will probably need a nap. And then from 12 to 1 p.m., I'll be playing with the cat with its toys that I showed you guys. And then 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. will be nap time. And like in between there, I'll take it to the bathroom again because you never know if it could go to the bathroom again. And then from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. nap, or I can start playing with it again. And then from 5 p.m. to 7:30, I'll be giving it food. Well, 12 a.m. I should give it food too. Anyways, 5 to 7:30, I'll give it food, then playing time, and then playing with it, then I gotta monitor the cat's appetite when it eats and stuff. And then I have to really let him play so he can get mostly his energy out, because they need to be worn out just like dogs do. And then I'll take it to the bathroom again, clean out its litter box. And then from 7:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. will be quiet time, just relaxing, us watching TV a little bit. I'm gonna be brushing the cat, and then spending quality time on the couch or the rocking chair or something while watching TV or yeah, or something. Well, probably Netflix. And then I'll take it on the walk again, a real quick walk, and then I'll let it go to the bathroom, and then maybe clean it out, and then it's basically bedtime for us, or especially for me. So yeah, but that's basically that's going to be the Kitten's schedule, the cat's schedule, until it gets used to its regular routine. Hopefully, I'm basically going to have to train it a lot, especially during the first week. The first week is going to be all for a week. I'm gonna be showing the kitten where to go to the bathroom instead of like on the floor, because we do not want that. Or going to the bathroom on the floor, because we do not want that. Showing the litter box and stuff, that's probably gonna be the main thing. And then I'm gonna be showing the kitten where he's going to eat and drink and stuff. I still gotta figure out where I'm gonna put his bowl, water and food bowl at, because I'm scared that Boo's gonna eat his food, which I don't think he's not supposed to, Bill. So yeah, I still got a lot of things to figure out. I have an idea in my head on where I want to put the kitten's stuff at. But for now, we have to just wait and wait for the kitten to come, because like I said, on the first day that I'm gonna get the cat, the very first thing I'm gonna be doing is getting his shots, and then bringing him home. Hopefully, Boo won't go way too wild on him and try to get them to kind of get along and bond. Yeah, get along and bond, because I don't want to have something happen where the cat might kind of bat and hiss a little bit, because the last kitten I fostered, the cat that I'm getting, I'm not gonna foster. It's gonna be mine. But the cat that I fostered, she did not really like Boo at all. She kept batting at him every time he got close and hissing at him every time he gets all hyper. You know how dogs get hyper and stuff. So yeah, that kind of didn't really go so well. So I'm hoping with this one they'll get along and be buddies, and the cat won't tell him to go away every time he goes near him. So yeah, I need to do that, and then I am going to have to show the kitten where the litter box is, so he can go to the bathroom so he can go to the bathroom when he needs to go to the bathroom. So yeah, guys, I feel like I am going to be doing a transformation of my room, and there's a hair on my computer. I am going to be doing I want to do a transformation of my room. So I am going to be doing a before bedroom tour and then after, because this, like I said in the past video, this bed's not gonna be where it is now, and my room's gonna be totally completely different, because what I was thinking I could have my two black drawers be right here, in this area, and then my dresser can be next to it, I guess. And then I was thinking I could put a TV on it, so I can watch TV in my room instead of out in the living room, But I mean, I can watch Netflix out in the living room. But I feel like at night I can just stay in here with the kitten and just watch TV for like quiet time, you know, like on the schedule and stuff. So yeah, and then my bed's gonna be on the other side of the it's gonna be on the other side of the room, facing this way instead of long ways. It's gonna look like this. So, and then I want to take the board shelf down. I feel like you guys seen it before. So yeah, and then yeah, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so that's basically it for this video, because I mean there's nothing really else to say about the kitten. So yeah, so on the very first day of me getting the kitten, I will be on here showing you guys the new kitten, the new member of the family. I seriously cannot wait to have a kitten. Guys, if you know me, which you guys, well, I think I've said this before, I'm not really a cat person. I'm like a dog person. But I feel like I could be both a cat and a dog person, because yeah, I've grown up with cats, so that's kind of one of the main reasons why I'm getting the kitten, because I've grown up with cats, and I love cats, you know, but like I'm more of a dog person. So I've grown up with cats, and I want Boo to, and the second reason I want to give Boo a buddy to play with, but hopefully not too roughly. And then the third reason is because I want to take more responsibility of a cat, because if I get another cat in the near future, I know what to do and all the other stuff. So yeah. So yeah, and that's another. Well, and then the fourth reason is because my grandma loved cats, so I kind of wanna take on her, like follow in her footsteps with cats, like taking care of them and all that. So that's kind of mostly the main reasons why I'm getting a kitten. But the two main reasons why is to be more responsible and to give Boo a playmate, so he doesn't get bored most of the time, because most of the time he just literally lays on the couch and goes to sleep, or he's always at the back door. So yeah. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. The kitten's gonna be a male. We're not gonna get a female. We're not getting a female, so we're gonna get a male. It's a black and white cat. Yeah, the colors is gonna be black and white. So yeah. So the breed is the same, Siamese. The colors are gonna be black and white. And the cat's gonna be lasting 15 to 20 years, which is good. We're not getting it. I'm not getting it until the end of August. So yeah. So that's kind of like basically it. And so for the stuff that I'm getting the kitten, that stuff won't be in until the 8th. So on the 8th, well, it's gonna be 3 more weeks until we get the cat, or maybe more, because of like I said, the owner might have is going to be taking the kittens to the vet to get eye drops, so they can like be healthy and all that. Because she said she won't give me the cat if it's not healthy. So she might keep the cat longer. If it's not healthy, she's gonna keep the cat until it's healthy and stuff. But hopefully it's not too long because I really want to get in right now. So yeah. Yeah, so like I said, it's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I love making it and talking about the kitten because I'm so excited to get it and to have it. So yeah. Oh, and then another thing too, on Thursday I'm going to be getting my nails done. So I'll show you guys that. Show you guys my nails. And I might be doing another video. I don't know what kind of video it's going to be, but I'll figure it out. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Comment down below what name should I name the kitten. So it's going to be a male. Just comment down some names. Click that red subscribe button down below to become a part of the YouTube family, and so you don't miss the video of the kitten. Click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button if you want to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. You should do that because the cat video is going to be coming up very soon, and the kitten supply haul is going to be coming out very soon. So that video will probably be up next week when I get this stuff. So thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and if you want to follow me on all of my social medias, they will be in the description box below. Hopefully you guys have a good morning, evening, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Peace, guys.